show you how you can make a YouTube video safe for your young learners to watch. Currently in Aberdeenshire schools, your pupils will not be able to access YouTube. But by using Edpuzzle, we can then curate content that we want the pupils to see, and we know that those pupils will not be exposed to anything on YouTube that we don't feel is appropriate for them. So I'm here on YouTube just now because as teachers and adults you will have access to YouTube, and in my search I'm just going to put in a search for The Hungry Caterpillar and see if we can get a video about that book. And here's a nice one here, so I'm going to select that one. I'll just pause that, and what I want to do is I want to copy and paste this link up at the top. So we're just going to copy that and we're going to paste it into Edpuzzle. So you're going to sign into your Edpuzzle account, and here's my one. And if you've never used it before, you're going to have to create a class in the first place. So we're going to add a new class by clicking on the plus, and then we're going to press this button which says create class. Then type in the name of your class. If you wish, you can add a description, pop in the grade level, so we're going to put in ages 3 to 5, and for subject it will just be general education. Now this is really important, we want to change it from the classic class type to an open class. So click on open class, and then we're going to let Edpuzzle generate students' nicknames. Okay, so just tick that box there. And now create class. So that's my class now generated for me. I want to add that video to it. So in this box at the top here, I'm going to click on there, and I'm just going to right click and paste my YouTube link that I copied from the last page. So I'll just paste that in and type search. And here's the video. You can see it's right at the start of the video. It's taken out all of those adverts. I can go through the video as well. I can take out anything that I don't want the pupils to see. I can make it shorter and so on. So I can change it the way that I want to have it. So at this very basic level, we can just then click on finish. And here is the video. I want to now assign this to a class, so I'm going to click on assign. And I'm going to select that class that I just created a moment ago, so the nursery example class. So I just tick the box and then click on next. If I want it to be finished by a certain time and not accessed after a time, then I can put in a due date here, but I'm just going to leave it. And if I want the pupils not to be able to skip ahead on the video, then I'll just leave that on as well. And we'll just click on assign. That's the assignment all set up. I can have a little look at that to see how it will look for a student, but once I am happy with it, I can just tap the share assignment button, and this is going to give me a link. Okay, so that's not very child friendly to access, so what we want to do is we want to copy that link. And now I'm going to go into Google Chrome, and you might already have been using Google Chrome. And I'm going to paste that link and go to that assignment. So here is the assignment that I set up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate that QR code for the assignment. So I'm going to go to the 3 dots at the side. And now I am going to scroll down to save and share. And you'll see in this other menu that comes up, I have got an option to create a QR code. So I'm going to click on that. And here is my QR code that's been generated for this page. So I'm going to select download. And when I open that up, here I've got my QR code. So I can print this off, have it in the book corner for my pupils to scan. And I'm just going to show you in the next part how that's going to look. Here I am in my iPad now. So as a pupil, I'm going to go to the camera app. I can scan my QR code. And that's going to open in Edpuzzle. All the pupils need to know is that they just press the blue button now. So they click on the blue button and that takes them directly into their video and they can just press on the YouTube sign to watch it. And that's all they have to do.